Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the trade request and grow a garden game Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already joined the game and then I'm going to show you how you can disable the trade request from your friends or from the other players and grow a garden. First thing first, you can go to the setting and then here you will see the trade request and you can turn off the trade request right here. Okay, so the other players can't send you trade request. It will be so helpful if you don't want to get annoyed by the players who like to send trade request without your permission. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn off the trade request and grow a garden game Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.